In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use ChatGPT to help solve your quiz questions from virtual university. Whether you're aiming to double-check your work or simply want a deeper understanding of the material, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in your academic toolkit. So let's dive right in and break down the steps. First, you'll want to ensure you're at the right starting point, which is opening up ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you're ready to harness the power of AI to assist with your quiz questions. Next, we need to get the quiz question from your virtual university platform. Go to the specific section that contains the question you are working on. Highlight the text that includes the quiz question itself, making sure you've got everything you need. Now, you can copy this text by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This copies the question to your clipboard, allowing you to transfer it to ChatGPT seamlessly. Now that you have your quiz question copied, head back to ChatGPT. With your cursor in the chat box, paste the question you've just copied. This can be done easily by pressing Ctrl+V. For example, you might paste in a question along the lines of, "Solve this quiz question. What is the main function of the CPU?" If the question is multiple choice, it's essential to provide the options alongside the question for the most accurate assistance. For instance, you might type, "Here are the options. A. Store data. B. Process instructions. C. Provide internet. D. Print documents. Which is correct?" By including these options, you give ChatGPT all the information it needs to provide a precise answer. ChatGPT will quickly analyze the information and generate a response for you, revealing not only the correct option but also an explanation of why this is the right answer. This step is crucial, as understanding the reasoning can help reinforce your knowledge and prepare you for similar questions in the future. Once ChatGPT provides you with the correct answer and explanation, it's time to put that information to use. Copy the correct choice by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl+C. Then go back to your virtual university quiz and paste or mark the right answer in the appropriate location. This final step ensures your quiz reflects the insights you've gained. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leverage ChatGPT to enhance your quiz-taking process, ensuring you not only complete your tasks accurately, but also deepen your understanding of the material. Hopefully, this method proves beneficial in your academic journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.